Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Trust Urban. This is a virtual reality Bluetooth controller that can be used with a smartphone and VR sets like Exos and Exos Plus from Trust. This has a really portable and slim design that can be used for Android devices, that includes also tablets, and it is ideal to carry it around on the go. Now, this is a really cheap solution for a VR set, but this can be also used as a gaming device, so let's open the box and check closely this controller. Now, the fact that this is a Bluetooth device makes it really versatile. You can connect it to a plethora of devices, and I consider that one can hit two birds with one stone with this product, since they can act as an Android remote controller, like using some function keys and using this one instead of a touchscreen for accessing your device, apart from using this one as a gamepad. So here we have the controller itself. Okay, this is actually the warranty that must be read, and all the different languages. And here we have also some more legal stuff that I don't think anyone cares about, except from the company itself. The actual manual is beneath that. Okay, here is the manual. As you can see, there's a lot, and here we have how to access the battery compartment. This is the way to be connected and accessing the device and pairing. And I can see there is a media control. Okay, this is really nice. There's a gaming mode and a multimedia mode, so you can use it with your device as a remote controller, and some gaming is also possible with this device. On the plus side, we have two AAA batteries. This is a really nice addition. I always expect some batteries with a device to be included, and this from a brand I don't really know, but that's okay. You can always use some rechargeable ones. And here we have the controller itself. There's a full directional D-pad, 9 total buttons. I guess that includes also the on-off switch. Now here we have the battery compartment. We can add some batteries here and power on our device. Okay, like it's so. And now to power on, actually no, this mode switcher. We have a game mode and a keyboard mode. Now this is really nice. The device itself is really lightweight. The build quality is okay. Still you can switch with one press between the gaming and keyboard mode. And overall I find this product to be really nice for the asking price. So this was the unboxing of the Trust Urban Bluetooth controller. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.